Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sharmin. Today I'm going to talk about retina structure and function. So let's get started. The innermost layer of eyeball is retina, and which is light sensitive. The retina is the layer on which images are formed. So it consists of photoreceptors or light sensitive cells. So these are connected to the nerve endings from the optic nerve, okay? So these nerves convey impulses to the brain, and when the photoreceptors are stimulated, okay? So there are two kinds of photoreceptors. Number one, cones. Number two, number one, cones, and number two, rods. So rods contains the visual purple pigment concerned with vision with dim light, okay? So light causes bleaching of visual purple, which is involved in light detection. So what do you mean by that? Well, in bright light all the visual purple is bleached, and when a person enters a dark place from a bright one, he may not be able to see distinguish the objects around. So this is because it takes a while for the visual purple to be formed again in the rods, okay? The formation of visual purples requires vitamin A. That means deficient in this vitamin A may be unable to see in dim light, and is said to be night blindness, okay? So it's happened with a young child, okay? Young children, okay? So whenever you have this type of problem, you try to vitamin A contain food like yellow colorful fruits and vegetables. This is fine, okay? Cones and less sensitive to light than rods, and so are inefficient in dim light. So they are concerned with bright and color vision. So there are three types of cones: red, blue, and green cones, okay? So each of these possess a different pigment. The different pigment absorb light of different wavelengths. So the cones taken together unable to see light of different color. So therefore all the cones together unable to a complete spectrum to be seen on the retina. So in the region of the retina in line with or on the optical axis of the lens is a shallow and yellow depression known as fovea centralis or yellow spot, okay? And this is where images are normally focused. So it only contains cones. So the concentration of cones is greatest at this point. As a result, vision is sharpest in bright light, and when images are focused onto the yellow spot, so a blind spot is found immediately over the optic nerve where it enters the eye. So it has no photoreceptor, so it is not sensitive to light, okay? So guys, I hope that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friends. If you need more class, go to my website www.educatorbiology.simpleset.com. That's all. Thank you very much.